All right, on today's episode of Ooh, What is King Cooking? And yes, I used to have a restaurant. You see it right there. So today's episode of my cooking, we making crawfish. Yes, crawfish. These are already frozen. I already washed them down a little bit, get rid of stuff. So you can get these, just in case you're wondering, you can get them at Winco. They sell them just like this, whole cooked crawfish, blah, blah, blah. This is pretty simple. It don't get no simpler than this right here. Oh, you're gonna need, I forgot to put this in the front. And I like mine spicy. So this is stuff you're gonna need. So I'm gonna go over it and we gonna talk about it, all right? And we gonna do it all in this pot. This is what you need. That's what you need. That's all you need. All right, let's talk about it. So first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this fire on. Put it like a 4. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna grab this oil and we're gonna pour some of that. We're gonna pour some of that in there. Boom, just like that. Then we're gonna take a handful of these chopped onions that I already did. Next, we're gonna take some of this habanero. Next, we're gonna take some oil-based seasoning. Next, we're gonna take, I want to say about a tablespoon and a half of butter. We're gonna stir this around. Stir around till you melt that butter down. Next, we're gonna take about 2 of these, which is about equal to 6 cups of water. It's gonna be based on your pan. Yeah, about 6 cups of water, so which is about a half a thing of water right there. Boom. That's what I want. I want a half because we're gonna take that. And we're gonna stir it up. Now we took some lemon. All 4. Now we're gonna take the rest of our onions and stuff like that. Now we're gonna take our crab broil. We're gonna put about 4 tablespoons in there, or to your taste. Because I like mine spicy, it's up to you. We're gonna take some cayenne pepper. And we're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of that in there. Oh, I forgot. You want to use garlic powder. I only got a little bit in here, so which is about a teaspoon. So we're gonna put the rest of that in there. I'll stir that around. So let's taste it. Use a spoon. So let's taste it. Let's see what it is. That's it right there. Let's do it again. It's got like that spice with a little kick. You know what I mean? So when that lemon kick in, that's gonna make it, you know what I mean? I like it raw. So now let's put our top on it. Let's bring this up to a boil. And then we're gonna wait. Let's go to our next step. Now, we just took some cornstarch. Winco, promo. I'm gonna turn this on, put a little water in here. About 2 tablespoons of that. I know you should thinking, why are you doing that? Because I want my sauce thick. So we gonna start this up. Oh, let me do this on here. So let's pour some of this in here. Let's give that a stir. I'm gonna thicken this up just a little bit. So we gotta let this boil to bring up the juices. Let's pour a little bit more. Now we're gonna let this boil first before we do anything else. Put this top on there. Let's wait a minute. Let's give it let's let this bring up to a boil. I'll come back in a few minutes and we'll go from there. Mr. King, what's up, buddy? How you feeling, brother? You alright? Chilling? Whatever. And we're back. Oh, we're boiling. So, I wasn't going to throw that in there, but let's just start putting these in. Just going to stop it from boiling. It's the spice for me. So I'll be back in a second. You get it. Put those in there. Now that we got everything in the pot, let's put this on. Oh wait. Stir that up just a little bit. Just in case you wonder how many pounds it is, it's about 2.5. It says 3 on the bag, but I don't know. I know. Well, this is 3 pounds basically. So just in case you wonder how long we leave this for, we're gonna set a timer. We're gonna do 12 minutes. I'm gonna let that cook for 12. Should be, when I come back, it should be perfect. So we reached the timer. Delicious crawfish. Actually, we're gonna turn this off. Let's grab one of these. Taste test. We're about to taste test this. That's it right there. Hold on. That's perfection. Oh yeah. perfection right there. You gotta get a second one. I say perfection, flavor, spice, everything nice is right there. Let's go for it. Let's go for a second one. That's it. That's your fire. So I just want to say at the end of the day, thank you for tuning in. This is the best, the spiciest crawfish ever with a little rice, a little lemon. I still have some more in the pot because I ain't greedy, but I am. But that's a whole nother story. So we gonna do this right here. And we gonna eat this. So let's go ahead and sample a little bit just for y'all. I love the sauce from that. Let's put a little bit more. It's buttery. That's the sauce. I can do the sauce in this rice and broth. That's so you get the flavor. You gotta suck on the head first, no diddy. Look at all that. And when people be saying woo, that flavor hit you here. So when people say crawfish is a lot of work, did that look like a lot of work? That sure wasn't a lot of work to me. It's like a shot of goodness. It's a real shot of delicious goodness. Let's do it again. Shot of greatness. Again, goodness. Well, look, I appreciate y'all watching, taking time out your busy Saturday, watching this. Watch me make this. I didn't have nothing to do, so. Thank y'all. Enjoy your day. Be blessed.